Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Keynsham today. Rather pleased with myself. Well, one reason I actually didn't buy another kite. It was a rather nice kite. It was only £3, but Nanny was standing beside me and reminded me that I don't need any more. So I didn't buy a kite. I did buy these two items. I bought this one. It's one of those plastic clip together kits that I love in the form of a robot. I've never seen this one before. So that will go in the car for me to put together at some time when I'm sitting there waiting for Nanny. It looks like it actually walks. I am sure I haven't seen one of these before. If I have already done one, I apologise, but I'm sure that's new to me. I've done cars, boats, planes, all sorts of animals, but I haven't done a wind-up robot. www.fizzcreations.com. Yeah, so I'm pleased with that. And then this thing, I've seen the men like this, but I haven't seen this one. It appears to be a transformer and it has wheels on it. So we have to fold it so it looks like a car somehow. So I might waste a few minutes trying to do that now. I can get this bit off, which we don't want. Nanny just came in and kissed me goodnight. That was sweet, wasn't it? It's that time of night. Well, it's 11 o'clock at night. So, you coming off? Come on, I just untied you. Spend more time trying to get that off than putting it together. Right. Okay. So that bit's clearly got to be at the front because it can't turn around any other way. As for the rest of them, I suppose I could go online and look for a picture, see what it should look like. I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to actually fold up into a cube or anything. It's just not the right shape. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just looks like this and that's it. I mean, there's no way that's going to... Those are different sizes. Normally they're all the same size, so they can make, as I say, make it into a block. Yeah, I'm going to have to do a Google search or something, image search, try and work out what it should look like. Yeah, don't know. If you don't know what it's supposed to look like, it's a bit difficult to guess, isn't it? Yeah, just guessing. No idea what it should look like. Or maybe it isn't anything specific, it is just what it is. That's probably enough time wasted on it. I'll see if I can find a picture, if I can, and I'll stick it on the end of the video. Well, I found it. This one's on an Etsy shop. Can't believe that price. But that one is that one. And that's one of the other shapes. Yeah, that'll do. I'm not going to bother with the other ones. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.